Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check the quick view of folder, a file, or whatever you want. So see. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to take the folder where we want to take a quick view. So simply what we need to do, we have to right click on this folder. For right clicking on this folder, simply you have to hold the control key and then simply you have to click on the mouse and the right click options will be open. If you want to do this with another method, you can also do that. Simply you need to press on the trackpad with two fingers. So let's press, and after pressing it, so as you can see here, you will get the option of quick look. So we have to click on the quick look, and after clicking on the quick look, simply you will be able to see the folder thumbnail and the folder name and the size of that and the last modified. And as you can see, in this way you can check out the folder details. So if you want to check out the file details, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this finder and simply I want to check out this file details. So let's click on this, and now we have to do right click on this, and then simply we need to click on the quick look. So let's click on the quick look, and after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will be able to see the watch the video and you see some basic details as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can take a quick look of your files of your folder on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.